In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a free SSL certificate on your Google Cloud Platform website. Having an SSL certificate not only secures your website by encrypting data, but also boosts your site's credibility among users. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, head over to the Google Cloud Console. You can do this by typing console.cloud.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, if you haven't logged in yet, make sure you use your credentials to access your account. Next, you'll need to open the project that you're working on. From the dashboard, navigate to Compute Engine and then to VM instances or wherever your hosting service is set up. Here, you'll see a list of your current virtual machines. This is essentially where your website is being hosted. Now that you're in the Compute Engine, it's time to go to Network Services. From there, select Load Balancing. This is an important step because the load balancer is where you can configure SSL settings for your website. Once in the load balancing section, look for an option that says Create Load Balancer. If you already have a load balancer set up, you can choose to edit that existing one instead. This is where we'll start configuring the necessary settings. Under the front-end configuration of your load balancer, make sure to enable HTTPS. This is essential because HTTPS is the protocol that will allow the SSL certificate to operate between the server and your user's browser. Next, we'll create a new certificate. Click on Create a New Certificate and select the option for a Google Managed Certificate. The great thing about Google Managed Certificates is that they are free and automatically renew, saving you both time and effort. After selecting the Google Managed Certificate, you'll need to specify your domain name. Simply enter the domain you wish to secure and click on Create. This action will prompt Google to prepare your SSL certificate configuration. With your domain entered and your certificate created, the next step is to save and deploy your load balancer. The deployment will apply the SSL configuration and integrate it with your website through Google's infrastructure. Once you've saved and deployed the changes, wait a few moments. Google's system will automatically issue and install the SSL certificate for you. It usually doesn't take long and you won't need to do anything during this automated process. And that's it. Your website should now be running on HTTPS with a free auto-renewing SSL certificate from Google. This not only secures your website, but also adds a layer of trust for your users. Congratulations on completing the setup. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.